evening, sir. How are you?
Yes, very good evening. I am fantastic, fantabulous. What about you? How are you? Just tell me.
I am also fantastic, and a lot of there is no expression how I express a lot from you. And if I talked with you, then I have a one type of energetic automatically come in my brain and body. So how do you feel?
Yes, I am feeling very energetic and I am always trying to speak loudly.
Yes, 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 yes. You are also speaking at this time with a lot of good and very fantastic and very understanding. And your laughing is expressing a lot from your body structure.
Yes, but I am not this my genuine laughing, but I am not laughing. But this is my I control always. I want to control myself when I am talking with any kind of person on that time. But I cannot control because starting from the starting time, I am just talking like this.
My question, my purpose, you are laughing means you're good for your body, for your speaking style. There is no negative. I take positive. Okay,
Yeah.
positive.
So, do you have any topic for discussion?
Yes. First of all, introduce for viewers. I have also YouTube channel. You have also YouTube channel. So first of all, for viewers, introduce, and after then go to talk.
Okay. Nice talking to you. And let so listen carefully my introduction. So this is Rajiv Kumar in front of you. I am connecting from Bihar, and I am a farmer. I am also a tuition teacher. So this is all about me. So could you please introduce yourself?
Yes. Why not? Why not? Thank you giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Mukesh Kumar Paswan from Nepal. If talk about my education, I have done CMA from Chinnamasta Institute of Technology, Rajviraj Saptari, Nepal. I have done also graduate from Tirubhani University, KTM, Nepal. If talk about my working, I am working in health post. I am a health person. I have a government job. And if talk about my hobby, searching any things, make any friends, and that's all about me.
Yeah, fantastic introduction, brother, given by you from your side. And I listened your introduction very carefully. That you have done technology things, and you have done graduation in the field of technology. It means that technology is just like engineering, no? Am I right or not?
Health, the doctor, assistant of
Okay,
doctors.
okay, okay. Health doctor, health technology, no?
Yes, health technology.
Okay, so current,
I have two
yeah.
qualification. I have a two one as academic qualification is bachelor, and another is technical qualification is CMA, community medical assistant.
Okay, means that you are just completed bachelor and 4 years bachelor of degree, and after that 3 years of degree you have also completed. I can think.
Yes.
Okay. So do you have topic for discussion or not?
Yes. I have topic. I am giving topic today is television. What is the importance of television? Why need use of television?
Okay. Very interesting topic given by you, sir, and my dear brother. That television. Television is just like a medium. You can say that, and television means TV. It is a short form of TV. But when in the ancient time, television was very popular. When I was child and when you were child on that time, no. So means that I am talking about before that 2000 era. Okay,
Yes.
2004. So on that time you was also child and I was also child. On that time, no, television was so popular, and on that time there was two type of television, just like black and white TV, and the second one was color TV. Okay, so color TV was very famous on that time. In the village there was only one color TV among the whole villages, and almost people used to keep white color TV because white color TV was cheap, and color TV was so costly. So only rich people and rich people and wealthy people used to keep that color TV. And on that time, no. almost people used to keep white TV because that time India has a lot of poverty inside there. So that time it was not possible for village person to keep color TV. So television is just like a media through which we can learn anything. Just like it is a it is a importance of just we can see news. Okay, daily you can see news movie. If you are taking frustration, so you can just involve, keep yourself involved in watching different kind of videos, and that serials and match you can also watch inside the television.
Yes. Yes. You are saying right, and I agree with your statement. Your everything is right. You are saying right. So I am going to describe television. Television means look like a screen. Look like a screen. You can see from what you can listen audio, video. You can see with the television. If you have a television, you can listen news, audio, visual. There are different kinds of news provide entertainment news, politics news, sport news, every news available in television. And black and white TV, color TV. Color TV is most important, and most of people like color television. Yes,
Yes,
in some days and at least 10 years, 20 years ago, only one white. You were saying right. Only white television, black and white television. They all are watching only that television, and that times given many programs like as Ramayana, Mahabharat, and most of people are staying in one places and enjoying a lot that times. But nowadays every person have a mobile, every person have a television in their home. So that is the difference between that time and at this time. Yes.
yes. But you can say that that television is the mean of entertainment. Okay, because if you are feeling tired, and if you are a job holder person, and daily you used to go to office, and after that you become tired after returning from the office, and after that you just for removement of and for removement of the tiredness, you just involve and keep yourself busy in watching some serial. And after that, cartoon serial is also available in the television. So you, if you will watch, no, so after that your tiredness and your tiredness and your everything will go okay, and you will feel better than the previous time. So I can say that television is just one mean of entertainment, and you can keep yourself busy, and you can also internet entertainment yourself, and you can also, but in some time, no, people used to watch. You rightly said that there was only one color TV in the village, and at that time all the person of the village used to sit together and watching that TV together,
Yes.
and they just sit on the ground floor inside the hall.
Yes.
And after that, old aged person and child and mother, father, brother, all village person, just some are standing, some were standing, and some were sitting on the ground, and after watching Ramayan serial, Shaktiman, and extra things. But
Mahabharat.
today
Yes.
what happened? Science has developed everything. Science have developed mobile phone. Science have developed technology. So with the coming of science, with the coming of technology, just the color TV also has gone, and there is no value today in our society. And black and white TV are not sold. So that time, no, everybody have mobile phone, everybody have YouTube channel, and they can watch everything 100% things, whatever search they can search also Ramayan. But nobody is watching Ramayan today, and they are just scrolling different kind of reels and different kind of virtual video inside watching that YouTube channel. But still in this time, no, virtual video is not available in the YouTube channel. But I can say that in coming 15 years, after 15 years from now, that virtual video will be available definitely in the YouTube channel also.
Yes. You are right. You are right. Your everything is good. You are saying that's right. Right, sir.
Yeah. Some reels are available in the YouTube channel, but that are very very vulgar videos, and their short videos are also vulgar. Some people just some ladies, I don't know what happened to that sister. I'm not complaining to that sister, but I am just trying to trying to show to our society that please sister don't do like that work. If you are having talent, so no need to no need to put off your clothes. Some videos are very vulgar. If our children in our society will watch that video, they, if I will open the YouTube channel first, that short video is coming, and that short video
Yes,
is very vulgar. Okay, some
yes,
ladies
yes,
are just putting off their blouse and just only wearing blouse and samiana, and they're just putting off their saris. But what is the need of putting off their saris? There is no need, sister. There is no need to put off your saris. Please don't do this, because it will harm our society. Because today YouTube channel, everybody is watching YouTube channel. Google,
yes, yes,
some person and some child is not opening Google's, but
yes,
browser and Chrome is not opening. But 100% and 99% of society, just they are browsing our YouTube channel. First child is also browsing YouTube channels, and short video is coming. And what is happening? But 4 years before, short video was not coming like this vulgar video. But what is happening? Vulgar video is everybody is just watching others in order to get views, in order to get more views, in order to popular in the YouTube channel, in the social
yes,
media. So they are just copying others. They are just doing
yes,
that type of nefarious things. But that will harm our society, because our child just coming from the school, and after that they check mobile from papa and just switch on the internet, and after that they're watching that kind of video. So first video, short video is coming. So first in the first content, if the child will watch that video, so what will happen to the that child? Because eyes is very dangerous things. God has created our eyes for watching things, and if you will watch that video, so different kind of negative things and different type of sexual desire will coming out from your mind. So after that,
yes,
what
yes.
their main aim is to study, and they will leave their study, and after that they will keep busy in itself to watching that kind of viral video. And after that their life, energy and money will go to the west, and go to the in the dark.
Yes, yes, yes. You are everything we are saying right. I agree with your statement, and so I would like to say, you don't open the clothes, you don't use short clothes, and you putting your face, your body in YouTube channel. Okay, that is not good for you. If you give quality, if you have quality, then automatically you will be viral, you will be viral. If you have no quality, you just open your clothes, you can't should be viral. Yes, so first of all, you have to do what is which is things for me good, and which is things for other goods, that you have think, and you upload that types of video automatically. If you have quality, if you can give different kinds of quality, then automatically person are watching, and like views, everything has given. There is no compel, there is no complaint. You have to open clothes and you upload video, then I will be in your future automatically views a lot of getting. That is not good, that is harmful for our society, our children. Yes, this is not good for.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, but you know, brother, that what happened to our brothers that who have got married and new married sister, and after getting married, they are just giving permission from their husband, and they are just starting making videos of reels, and
Yeah.
after that they are copying from other ladies, because other if other lady is just revealing their clothes and revealing their body part, so after that some new bride just they are doing that kind of things in order to get more views, in order to get more subscription, and in order to get profit from the social media, and in order to successful in the social media. So I think that so brother who are just new married, so please don't do this. Other works is also available in our society, you can do that, and it will be better for our sister also. It will be better for our young generation also, because if I am having one sister in my village, so in my village and in my home, so if
Yeah.
my sister will watch that video, so what will happen after getting her marriage, if they will go to their husband house, and after that they
Yeah.
will think about same like this, because the effect
Yeah.
of our thinking falls on our society also. If I will think like this, so if other person who are living in our society nearby me, just they will watch me, and after that they will copying, and they will start copying with my work.
Yes. 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 That is not good for them.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So, any ask any questions
No, no,
you
I
have?
don't have brother to ask any question, because you have explained about the television, everything, and you explained very nicely today.
Okay, that's good. That's good. I would like to ask some questions. If who wants to learn, who is beginner, what do you suggest them?
Yes, yes. My only suggestion is that open your mouth. If you are a beginner, open your mouth. Don't sigh, and whatever your mouth is going to start, just start speaking. I am also making mistake. Other is also making mistake. One day, first you speak wrongly, and after that, after 3 months, and after your practice, you will be okay. No need to worry. Just open your mouth and start speaking. Okay. Whether they will whether speaking speaking coming out from your mouth will wrong or right. No issue. No problem. First you speak wrong, and after that you will speak better than me, better than you, better than others. There is no medicine further in the in the world that will make, and that will teach you English. You will
Oh,
have to develop confidence inside you.
okay, that's good. That's good. So, now the session. Nice talk to with you, and next time I will be connect again.
Okay, okay, okay.
Bye.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Bye. Bye.